In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use variations in a listing on eBay, designed especially for beginners diving into the world of online selling. Whether you're offering items with different sizes or colors, having variations in your eBay listings can be a game changer, helping you organize your products more efficiently and making it easier for buyers to find exactly what they need. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you're set up for success from the get-go. First, you'll want to open the listing form in eBay, which is where your journey begins. The listing form is your canvas, your starting point for creating a dynamic and engaging product offering. When you open it, you'll see the standard fields for listing any product on eBay. This is where you input essential information like your product's title, description, and price. But today, our focus is on enhancing this listing with variations that can make your offering stand out. Once your listing form is open, you'll need to select the option to Add Variations. It's a crucial step that allows you to go beyond a basic listing. By choosing this option, you unlock a suite of tools that let you offer multiple choices within a single listing. This functionality is particularly handy when you have items that come in various styles, such as shirts in different sizes or shoes in an array of colors. Not only does this feature save you time, but it also makes your listings more user-friendly for potential buyers. Next comes the interesting part. It's time to enter the options for your product. Think about the specific variations your items offer. Are they available in multiple sizes, such as small, medium, and large? Perhaps your product comes in different colors like red, blue, and green. What you do here is enter these specifics in the variation fields available in your listing form. This is where the magic happens. You're tailoring your eBay shopfront to be rich, diverse, and comprehensive for your audience. Now that you have the variation set, the final task is to upload relevant photos and ensure everything is saved correctly. Capture images that best represent each variation, such as different colors or sizes. Pictures are critical because they provide your buyers a visual cue to confirm the product's details. Make sure they're clear, well-lit, and truly reflect what your customer will receive. Once that's done, double-check everything. Are all the variations entered accurately? Have you attached the corresponding photos? After verifying these details, save your work. Congratulations! You've now set up a listing on eBay with variations. This powerful tool will not only enhance customer experience, but potentially increase your sales by making your product listings both comprehensive and attractive. Be sure to keep exploring eBay's various features, as each tool you master will help boost your presence as an online seller. Thanks for joining me, and happy selling.